Best ERP software. Selecting the right ERP. ERP stands for Enterprise Resource Planning. And every decision maker wants to have an ERP application in their organization for better visibility, tracking the business operations and monitoring their current organizational growth. Companies who have selected the right ERP platform as per the nature of their business have seen a significant growth in their profitability, which helped them in their organizational expansion exponentially. There are plenty of ERPs available in the market, making companies overwhelmed in choosing the right one, according to the need of their business. Let's understand this with an example of bikes. People who need a vehicle for their regular commute prefer to use bikes with higher mileage and don't mind the speed capability of the bike, as this takes care of their daily needs. Now, if we bring such bikes in the racing competition, chances are that these bikes won't sustain in front of the sports bikes. In short, the purpose and platform need to be considered while selecting a bike. Similarly, the selection of the right ERP depends upon the following factors: organizational size, business requirement, number of users, annual turnover, data security constraint, technology preferences, and of course, price of the ERP. Types of ERP software. Small companies usually prefer lightweight ERP or simple accounting software, but as the companies grow, the business operations become critical, and we need to go for the specialized ERP systems. Generally, ERP software is divided into two categories, that is, in-house ERP systems and cloud ERP systems. The in-house ERP systems are the traditional ERP having the servers on the premises of the company. These ERP are useful where data or information is critical for a particular company. If we go into the details, these are customized based on the organizational structure and the need. It requires constant data backup, annual maintenance cost, dedicated physical server rooms, constant electricity, as well as a special team of IT people to customize and run the ERP system. In recent years, the trend in organizations has been significantly changed. The majority of the companies are preferring cloud ERP applications over the traditional in-house ERP software due to many advantages. Cloud ERP systems give us more flexibility and scalability. As the cloud servers are remotely based, the expenses of the AMC, periodic customization, dedicated IT team, server cost, hosting fees, data backup are usually taken care of. Public cloud ERP. The ERP systems which are hosted on the public cloud or hosted cloud are usually the replica of the in-house ERP systems, migrated over the cloud platforms. These seem to be economic and cost-effective, but carry the scalability issues, as the additional customization and server charges are usually not mentioned in the contracts. The other form of cloud ERP platform, which is quite secure and has multi-tenancy, is known as private cloud ERP. These are considered as the best ERP in the current generation due to the unlimited scope in the scalability, flexibility, and better security. Usually, these are SaaS platforms where the subscription fees are based upon the user counts and the nature of the offering. Oracle NetSuite ERP is considered as the first cloud in the entire world. Having rich features such as accounting and finance management, order to cash, procure to pay, supply chain management, demand planning, inventory management, workflow management, manufacturing routing, etc. NetSuite ERP is serving more than 20,000 organizations across 110 plus countries. The companies, which use NetSuite ERP, get 2 major updates every year, bringing the organization every time on the latest technology platform without any extra charges. Do you want to learn more about ERP? Please visit our website. Subscribe to our channel for new ERP videos and press the bell